Well, when your granddaughter tells you she just loves pancakes and asks you to make them for her for breakfast, well, it's time to head to the store and get some ingredients for pancakes.
Your first time to eat Pops' pancake?
So, the pancakes were apparently a success. I was a little nervous because it's been a long time since I made them, like maybe a year even, or close to it. I bet it was last fall since I made pancakes. But my granddaughter told me afterwards that after she ate 3 of them, that they were the best she's ever had. So, we'll call that success. So that's it for this video. I'll post the basic recipe in the description below, in the video description, if you want to check it out. It's real simple, and you can just adjust. It's all twos, so you can adjust it up and down as you need to suit your needs for however much you're trying to make. So my mother's recipe. I make mine a little bit thicker than she does, by using a little bit less milk. But other than that, it's her recipe. And when she was out this summer, she actually made pancakes for the kids, and she made 6 cups of flour and 6 cups of milk worth of a huge bowl, and they went through all of them, had no leftovers. So it's a popular recipe, and it's always well received, and I hope this serves you well if you're looking to make some pancakes. And they work great in a griddle or on a skillet in a campsite too. So thanks for joining me for this video, everybody. Please consider hitting that like button if you haven't already, and subscribe if you want more content about some videos like this, about life on the road, nature, scenery, travel, that kind of thing. That's what this channel is all about. So hit the subscribe button and ring the bell right next to the subscribe buttons. You'll be notified whenever I publish new videos if you want to keep track of what's going on here on this channel. Thanks for joining me in this video, and we will see you later.